Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Today we will discuss the dangers of overeating tomatoes. Do you know that besides being healthy for the body, tomatoes are also very dangerous if consumed in excess? Tomatoes are one of the healthy foods consumed by many people. Tomatoes are usually used as a garnish on some dishes. In addition, tomatoes are also usually used to add flavor and aroma to some dishes. The health benefits of tomatoes are to increase metabolism and the body's immune system. This is because tomatoes contain minerals and vitamins such as choline, vitamin B complex, phosphorus, and zinc. Not only that, tomatoes also contain phenolics, lycopene, lutein, and carotenoids. Despite containing many minerals and vitamins, however, tomatoes can also be harmful to the body if consumed raw and in excess. A study revealed that eating too many tomatoes can actually cause surprising side effects. Although of course the benefits of tomatoes outweigh the harmful effects, you should not overdo it. Here are some of the side effects of consuming tomatoes in excess. 1. Triggers digestive problems. Excessive consumption of tomatoes can trigger digestive problems such as abdominal pain, bloating, and diarrhea. This can happen because tomatoes contain ascorbic acid and other compounds. When tomatoes are consumed in excess, the content in them can erode the lining in the stomach. In the end, people will feel stomach pain or mild gastritis for those with sensitive stomachs. On the other hand, tomatoes, which can be classified as fruits or vegetables, also contain glycoalkaloids. These can cause digestive tract problems and pain when tomatoes are eaten in large quantities. 2. Lycopenodermia. Lycopenodermia is another health problem that arises when tomato consumption exceeds normal limits. It is important to know that tomatoes contain lycopene, which is the most abundant red color in tomatoes. Lycopene can improve eye health, reduce the risk of cancer, and improve heart health. However, a side effect of too much lycopene is that it causes a skin condition called lycopenodermia. People who experience the condition have their skin turn orange. Fortunately, lycopenodermia is curable. 3. Allergies. Tomato allergy symptoms most often occur after the fruit is consumed. These include hives, skin rashes, eczema, coughing, sneezing, an itchy sensation in the throat, and swelling of the face, mouth, and tongue. This is because tomatoes contain a compound called histamine that can cause certain allergic reactions. Therefore, it is advisable to limit the amount of tomato consumption if you have experienced allergies before. 4. Kidney problems. A person with advanced chronic kidney disease should limit their intake of potassium, a mineral present in tomatoes. People with severe kidney problems may also be asked to limit their intake of tomatoes as they contain a lot of water. High potassium levels in the blood, which is one of the causes of kidney disease, can be addressed by avoiding tomatoes or tomato sauce or anything made from tomatoes. Tomato sauce is also high in oxalates, which is another reason why someone who is susceptible should avoid it. Despite some side effects, you can still make use of tomatoes and get good benefits from the nutrients in them. The trick is to cook the tomatoes before eating them. However, if you experience any serious problems after consuming tomatoes, see a doctor immediately for further treatment. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.